Hello students, our today's topic is how to interconvert different concentration terms. We know there are different type of concentration terms. For example, molarity, normality, percent volume by volume, then molality and percent weight by weight, then ppm, mole fraction. These all type of concentration terms can be interconverted to each other by using a very easy trick. So let's see what is the trick. Suppose we have to interconvert these two terms. Find out molality of 4% weight by weight aqueous solution of NaOH. So what we have to do, we have to convert percent weight by weight into molality. Clear? So first of all, we have to write down the formula of the unit which we have to find out. What we have to find out? We have to find out molality. So first of all, write down the formula of molality. So what is the molality formula? That is the number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Clear? And what is the next? Write down the formula of the unit or the concentration terms which is given. What is the given concentration term? That is the percentage weight by weight. So percent weight by weight is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. So if we find out the number of moles of solute and mass of solvent, then we can find out molality. Means we have to find out these variables, and these variables we have to find out from the information. That information is given in numerical. So how we can trace out or how we can find out that information? Clear? So we can find out that information by using a very simple trick. What is our trick? The trick is the thing which is given, you have to write down here. That is percent weight by weight. How much percent weight by weight? That is 4. So write down here 4, and the digit which you have to write down here, the similar digit you have to write down in this formula upward. Means mass of solute, that is also 4. Now you have to think what you have to write down here. What you have to write down here to correct or to correct this equation. आप यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे जिससे ये इक्वेशन जो है वो करेक्ट हो जाए? ऑब्वियसली अगर देखिए मैं 4/100 लिख दूं, देन दैट 100 विल बी कैंसल्ड आउट फ्रॉम दैट 100. दैट्स वाई मैं यहाँ पे क्या लिखूंगा? 100 लिखूंगा. तो 4 इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? 4 हो जाएगा, और आपकी इक्वेशन जो है वो क्या हो जाएगी? करेक्ट हो जाएगी. दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू राइट डाउन हियर 100. नाउ वी हैव ऑलरेडी इंटरप्रेटेड दैट इंफॉर्मेशन. हमने उस इंफॉर्मेशन को क्या कर लिया? देखिए इंटरप्रेट कर लिया. नाउ व्हाट इज द इंफॉर्मेशन? इंफॉर्मेशन इज मास ऑफ सोल्यूट इज 4 एंड मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज 100. And now using this information we can find out these two variables, and we can put these variables in the formula, and we can find out our answer. So how we can use that? Like that. Mass of solute is 4. Now what is the solute? Solute is basically NaOH. So how we can find out number of moles of solute? That is mass by molecular weight. So moles is equal to mass, that is a 4 gram, divided by 40. So that is 0.1. So number of moles of solute, that is 0.1. 0.1. And what is the mass of solvent? The mass of solvent, we have mass of solution, that is 100 gram, and mass of solute, that is 4 gram. So 100 minus 4, solution minus solute, means solvent mass, that is equal to 100 minus 4. So that is equal to 96. But what is 96? That is 96 gram. Clear? So but we have to write down here in kilogram. That's why 96 should be converted into kilogram. So if we convert 96 into kg, then 96 by 1000 means that is 0.096. So what is our exact answer? Our exact answer is 0.1 divided by 0.096. that is the molality of that solution. Clear? So by using this simple trick we can find out, we can interconvert any concentration term. We have to write down just two formulas, and after that we have to write down the digit here, the digit which is given for given concentration we have to write down here, and then same digit you have to write down here. आपको similar digit यहाँ पे लिखनी है, then you have to think कि यहाँ पे क्या लिखा जाए कि आपकी इक्वेशन क्या हो जाए, करेक्ट हो जाए, और इस तरह से आप क्या कर सकते हैं, दैट इंफॉर्मेशन कैन बी इंटरप्रेटेड, एंड यूजिंग दैट इंफॉर्मेशन यू कैन find out these variables and you can find out your answer. Thank you.